Fly. See the video. You'd see. I think I should practice it there first. I might practice it there first. See. Whew! That was a safe.
Beautiful night for this too. No wind.
Yeah. Ah! No crash. Woo! Yeah, this is like a beginner plane, but I like it because I'm still kind of new flying.
What's the range on it?
I don't even know. Hopefully like probably like 100 meters or 200. I'm not too sure. Maybe 500. So yeah, I'm just gonna go ahead and go this way. So it's gliding. We're gonna have a nice view. I feel the wind right now. This is my second day flying this thing. Yeah. I mean, I know it's gonna float, but it's,
Yeah, you still have to get to it.
yeah, getting it is a problem.
I don't think you want to go get it.
Yeah, especially
Any alligators in here?
no, I hope not, because I'll do paddleboarding here.
Or you paddleboard here?
I want to, but I did one time, but I just didn't have time to do it. Ah! Don't go water. It's... Oh shit. I don't know if I can control it now. I think I'm just gonna go ahead and land over there. Yeah. I'm just gonna land over there because I cannot control it. Woo! Cool thing about this cheap foam thing, you don't have to worry about breaking it. Whew. And I still managed to get it. Wow, that was a scary attempt.